Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. It's Saturday morning. I don't have work today, so I won't be going into anywhere to get any daily bread. What I will be doing though, is I'll be enjoying the weekend, yeah? Watch this. Blessed Sabbath to all those who keep it sabbatical on a Saturday, right? All my Sunday worship of them, me say Sunday to you when Sunday come. Alright, watch me. We go live tonight. We go live tonight on SouFLoTV, right? And the number is, hold on there. Let me get it. See it. Alright, so we're going to go live tonight on SouFLoTV. What I want my audience to do is I want you to leave in the comment section below this video, down there, so what is it you want us to talk about? Like, what should be our lead topic, right? Lead topic means that it's probably going to be talked about the whole show. But, of course, we're going to be dibbling and dabbling and talking about all kinds of things because we have not gone live in a while, right? So stay tuned. It's going to be very eventful. WhatsApp call in as well. So you can call in and let your voice be heard. Let your opinion be heard. I'm giving you the platform and the microphone tonight so people can listen to you and hear what it is you have to say, man. You see what I say? All right, so the number for the WhatsApp is, and this is also for all the other people who say, SouFlo, we can't find it on WhatsApp. You did it? What's your WhatsApp number? Send me the number now. All right, see it here. 1-806-587-8953. Not 3, 3. 1-806-587-8953. All right. 1-806-587-8953. That's the WhatsApp number. You can call in tonight. We are going live. We're going live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which will be 8 p.m. where I am at in my part of the world. All right? So if you're on them side here of the world in Texas somewhere, then it's going to be 8 o'clock for you. It's 9 p.m. when we go live tonight. And we're going to go live for 1 solid hour. I think we have enough to talk about to run a 1 solid hour show. Well, y'all know how that goes already because more time, I spit out my gum. How disrespectful. Plus, the gum hurt my belly anyway. I feel like I'm not eat breakfast yet or nothing. I'm there to chew gum. But anyway, 1 solid hour is what we're aiming for tonight. And y'all know how that goes. Because a lot of the times when we say, every time when we say we're going live for 1 hour, we end up on the thing for like hour and a half, I go 2 hours till we have to like. But tonight, we're going to make sure that the show is 1 hour because it's easy to upload, easy for people to understand, rewatch it, and these kind of things, all right? So, see you tonight. See you tonight. See you tonight when we go live, all right? Big up on yourself, manners and respect, everybody. Don't forget to have a positive, productive, progressive weekend. Love yourself. Respect yourself. Them say you can't throw empty. You always say again, you cannot pour anything from an empty vessel. So make sure say your vessel well stuck up, you know what I'm saying? With love. With self-love first. And then you can start to give love to others. He who does not understand what love is for self can never give love to anybody else. Yeah? That's why some people in a some relationship and the relationship pop down on them and say, but you know how much how me love him, me know her, me love her, you know, me give her so much love. But and so the love go. You don't understand love. And what you're thinking is love ain't love. Unconditional love for yourself will allow you to give unconditional love to others. Yeah? Bless up yourself. Keep it sabbatical. I will see you tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And set a clock. Make it. Don't be late. Leave in the comment section what you think we should talk about tonight so I can prepare myself. Yeah? All right. And again, it's 1-806-587-8953. Bless up. SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.